Wow. What is up, girl? I haven't been on you in a minute. He had to come right when I leave. Literally, I had the whole day free. I was like literally waiting, you know, the whole day to put on this extender, right? From, I forget what it's called, Pyramid? Puig? Foot pegs. Very nice, very nice. I put them on this past weekend. We're gonna see how they feel today. Now the bike is almost all black. I want to change up all these engine guards and, you know, all that shit. Change all that up to black coverings as well. Ooh, been a while, girl. 2270. I'm not going that way. Told him the carbon, full carbon video. Yo!
Huh?
Is he coming out or something?
I have to do my runs.
Damn, perfect timing.
How's the bike holding you up?
Great, man. I'm loving it. I changed out some things. Changed it all black. But yeah, man. Trying to like black it all out.
Get away from my car!
Yo, don't push that into here, man.
Just like running in. Wrong way, wrong way.
You might as well just do sleds with the car. Just up and down up the hill. Bro, that'd be, nah, man.
Just have the harness on.
You gotta get a license plate for it now.
You know what I thought of? Was it well, yeah, I'm sorry about it.
Need more time.
Time, man.
Need more time.
Hop in it.
Wait, what's the record? I bet you on 4.
That's fucked.
What, dude?
Fucked, bro. I don't even think you can bet you're on 4. I think you bet you're on 5.
Wait, y'all bench on 4? Then wait,
Yeah, I think that's maximum.
what? Can I even hit this? Hey, man.
Why did you say the question mark?
Yeah.
What I call it a mess.
That was great.
Alright guys, we're going to District Taco. I feel like I'm missing something. Let's hope it doesn't rain, everybody. Was a bad bench day today, guys. I thought I was gonna hit 240 for a nice pause, but I didn't. It felt easy, like it felt easy. It came off the chest, but then I don't know why, I just didn't even push. Like I didn't. That's kind of bad. I need to start fucking doing better, because my bench is poverty like shit. Let me actually, what is this? 15 minutes, never mind. Oh. I might get a quesadilla. Let's do the carne asada, the jefe way. Let's do the jefe way, you know. Let's do side. Dessert, because we're light still. So let's do it. Be good. Alright guys, we just got out of District Taco. Let's get out of here, bruh. Let's get out of here. See you guys. My tire's like flat or something? Why is it like, why does that feel weird? Oh, just a chill night ride, guys. I don't know if y'all can see. Let's go into Merrifield for a little bit, see who's around here, just to show you guys some things. Merrifield. What's this guy doing, bro? Wow, look at this. Everybody. Very nice. Hold on a second. Can't see shit. Haven't been on her in a while, guys. You know when you don't like, when you haven't ridden your bike in a while, do you guys like forget to do some stuff sometimes? Psych!